Hold on right there. Just one last thing before I send you to access DoodleMaker and all the powerful features. You want to listen to this because it's the most profitable part of the entire system. Right now, beta testers are leveraging DoodleMaker to make thousands of dollars in passive recurring income each month thanks to a custom app that literally brings top paying clients to them. You already know there's a huge demand for video creation, but the demand is especially high for doodle videos because of how well they drive social media traffic, engagement, and consistent results. When you can tap into this demand, you can practically set your own price, cherry-pick dream clients to work with, and generate passive recurring income streams. The challenge, of course, is finding these top-paying clients for your services. Sure, plenty of software vendors offer commercial rights as a selling feature, but then leave it completely up to you to find clients. We are putting our money where our mouths are because we know for a fact that people will pay you top dollar for your DoodleMaker videos. We like to automate your customer and client getting process for you for the first time ever. With the revolutionary Client Engine app, you can turn your current DoodleMaker enterprise rights into multiple extremely lucrative income streams faster and easier than ever before possible. The app scours 5 leading freelance websites for clients actively searching for doodle videos or any other service that you wish. So you can use it to effortlessly line up top-paying customers for doodle video creation and even to find customers for other services that you sell or could be selling with other software you might already own. So this single app can maximize your profits from any software you have commercial rights to. Using Client Engine app couldn't be easier. Just log in, enter the service that you'd like to offer, then sit back and watch as it delivers endless results of clients willing to pay top dollar for these exact services. The best part is these customers need help right now, so they're ready to hire you on the spot. So you can forget about wasting hours manually searching for job boards or negotiating with lowballers in Facebook groups and other forums. You don't even need a services website, portfolio, or advertising budget because Client Engine is your direct source of non-stop customers. Top earning freelancers consistently clear 5 figures or more in monthly income because once you have the clients, it's easy to multiply your profits by selling them more of your services. The Client Engine software automates the customer getting process. It's a no-brainer to maximize revenue by delivering more DoodleMaker videos or more of any other service that you offer. During this launch, we are offering an exclusive deal on Client Engine app, giving you unlimited access for just one low price. This means you can run unlimited searches to find endless clients for any service that you wish without any monthly costs, and we never charge a percentage of your fee, so you can keep 100% of the profits every single time. Just click the button below to unlock instant ongoing access right now. As always, we stand behind our products, so your low one-time investment is fully covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it out yourself, risk-free, and if you don't agree, it's the easiest way to find top-paying clients. You get your money back, no questions asked. The only way to lose is to miss out and be forced to pay much more later when the price jumps to a monthly subscription. So hit that button below right now to potentially have your first paying customer signed up today. With Client Engine, your income possibilities are unlimited. Perform the services yourself to keep 100% of the profits. You can even outsource the work to your virtual assistant so you can focus on creating multiple income streams. Or even create a profitable arbitrage by finding top-paying clients and then outsourcing to low-cost freelancers for pennies on the dollar. You picked up DoodleMaker because you see the raw power of automating the creation of animated doodle videos. Client Engine is the breakthrough app that automates customer generation for you. so you can maximize your profits in the shortest time, delivering video creation and other services to unlimited clients. Secure your copy below for exclusive one-time pricing during this launch only. Thanks again for becoming a DoodleMaker customer. We appreciate you. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to hearing your success stories.